So what's the three-part structure of a rite of passage? Well, there's lots of ways to talk about it. It's a beginning, a middle, and end. Act 1, Act 2, Act 3. Some people say severance, threshold, incorporation. I like to say orientation, disorientation, reorientation. The teaching that I give on the first day, I call compass time, or at least that's the main one. And it's about the four directions of human nature and where you sit. Where are you now? Where are you out of balance? It's an orientation that will be profound for you. And it's the first step needed to know what your next step is, to answer the question, where are you? In the next video, I'll tell you about the one thing you need to do before you get here.